Good day mga karelo. So today, they have a watch review again. Seiko Nano Universe. As you can see on the box here, they have a Seiko Nano Universe. So let's check what inside of this box. Check. Okay. They have an instruction manual. Okay. How to remove the link. So okay, how to adjust the band. So this for instruction only, and then this is official receipt. How much is the cost of this watch? Seiko Chronograph X Nano Universe is 2,480 Hong Kong dollar. Okay. Date of purchase is November 16, 2021. Seiko Nano Universe. So let's open the box. This is the watch itself. Seiko Nano. So let's check. Okay, they have no diverse extension here. So as you can see, Seiko Nano Universe. Water resistance 10 bar. Stainless steel. Okay, made in Japan. This is a watch is used. They have a tachymeter bezel. They have a 24 hours indicator here, second, and then a chronometer. Let's try the function of the watch. Okay, this watch is battery operated, and then looks good because the second in chronometer is looks automatic movement, as you can see, because normally the quartz movement is like this, but the movement of this what is you can see looks like automatic, but this is a battery operated watch. And then okay, we can check the watch. Okay. Okay. So let's try to reset. And then check again this for adjust the date. So one pull is for adjust the date. This is non-screwed down lock, so you can pull one for the date, and then second pull is for the time. Okay, for that adjusting the time. So let's see if they have a extra function when sets the some hand here. So we can set. Okay. So as you notice, the chronometer second hand is moved. So this is good when your watch is a drain battery. Like for example, stuff here. Oh, it's moving. Even though I cannot press. Let's see. Okay. So this watch is moving. What I mean, you can use the function of the chronograph. Even you can set the time. You can see, and then wait for turn the chronometer. Okay, almost. So let's try again. Okay. Okay. This watch is we can use the chronometer. Even you can set the time, because normally in some watch, the chronometer you cannot use if the crown is set to the time. So this is a tachymeter you can use to measure the speed of the car in kilometers or in miles. So like for example, your car is a speed of in 1 kilometer, and then when we reach the 1 kilometer, and then you can press this, and then you can measure the speed of your car in 1 kilometer. Okay. So they have no double lock here, only single lock. Just press here, and then you can see. Let's see the wrist check of this watch. So as you can see, it's good. My wrist is around 7 inches. So you can see this is stainless steel bracelet. Stainless steel. This watch lightweight. Even is a full metal stainless. Good for everyday use. So luckily they have 24 hours. Let's see how is the function of this. So as you notice, moving. Okay, moving the 24-hour hand. Okay, because this hand is, you can monitor of your watch. If you can set the watch, if the time is on AM or on PM, so you can notice here going to 12 noon, the date is change. Okay, changing from 11 to 12. So continue running while rotate this on clockwise. So that's it. This is our review for Seiko Nano Universe chronometer So I hope you enjoy for the review of this watch. Please guys, like and share our video for more watch review of the watch. Thank you and bye bye.